Hello guys, and in this video I will show you how to adjust brightness on Windows 10 laptop and both desktop computers. So if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribe and like in the video. So first you can see there's the action center in right bottom corner. Just tap on it. Then after you can see there is the lever for increase and decrease the brightness of your computer. By using that, you can just simply change your brightness in your computer. So that is method number 2. The method number 2 is using setting. To do that, you have to just tap on the start menu and go to setting, the second option. Then after, you have to go to system here, the first option. In system, you need to tap on display in left side menu. In your case, sometimes you will see only one box here because I am using dual monitors. So scroll down a little bit, then you can see brightness and color section. Then you can change the brightness from here also, and you can turn on night light mode or turn off it. So this is the step method number 2, how you can change your brightness. And method number 3 is most probably laptop come up with function keys. Some function keys has indicate it can be used to increase or decrease the brightness of your computer. So if your laptop has that kind of button, you can just manually increase and decrease using those buttons. So these methods will work in your laptop PC. So if your computer doesn't show that kind of bar or it will be not working, that will be the reason for drivers issue. To fix that, you have to go to this PC, right click on it and go to manage, the third option. Then after, it will be open computer management window. In this window you have to go to device manager. In device manager you can see there's an option called display adapters. Just double tap on it and it will be shows graphic drivers installed on your computer. So you need to update this driver to fix those issues. To update that, just right click on that driver, tap on update, and if your drivers you can download from internet using first option, just tap on it. In my case it is already installed to the latest version, so go back and you need to choose second option, browse my computer for drivers, and again choose the let me pick up from list, and this will be shows all the drivers installed on your computer. In my case this one is my driver, and just tap on next. So it will be installed the drivers again, then your problem will be fixed. So if you're using desktop computer, you can't see this kind of option. Okay, so you have two options. Either you can adjust the brightness from your monitor buttons, just pressing those buttons, and if your buttons also not work, you have only one option, that is you need to go to Microsoft Store here. Then after you need to search for Monitorian, MONITORIAN. This is the software with this kind of icon. Just tap on it, and you will see install or get from this one, because I am already installed it. So I am going to open that one. Okay, now you can see the task bar is appeared, that icon. It is a small time take to open. Now you can see this is my second monitor brightness. I can just easily change the monitor brightness using this bar. Okay, so this one is related to second monitor and this one is related to my laptop screen. So this is how you can change all the laptop and monitor brightnesses in Windows 10. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribe and liking the video.